Hello friends, welcome back to Diapers and Wine. Today the experiment that I am going to do with Jiansh is Phases of the Moon. Have your kids ever wondered why does moon changes its shape every day? The moon orbits around the earth in about 27 days, and during these 27 days there are about 8 phases of the moon that we see. So I am going to explain to Jiansh the concept of the phases of the moon, the different phases, how they happen, and also in the end I have done a little experiment at home to clearly show him what happens up in the space when moon goes around the earth and how the effect of sunlight makes it different phases of the moon. So keep watching till the end. Phases of the moon: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent.
Phases of the moon. New moon. Waxing crescent. Waxing crescent. Moon. Waxing crescent. First quarter.
Okay.
Waxing gibbous.
Hmm.
New moon.
Full moon.
Waning gibbous. Last quarter.
Waning crescent, and after that comes new moon. Very nice.
Wax crescent, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waxing gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent.
Very nice. So to make this is very simple. I have just glued one white sheet behind for the moon and one blue sheet. You can also use black sheet if you want. You just have to draw the phases of the moon around the circle. You just have to glue this much and keep the space for the moon open like this, like a pocket. So next thing is you need a sheet of this size. It should cover the circle. So when you put it inside, you can get the first quarter or a new moon figure. And the second sheet that I cut is having these shapes. I have used the same plate to cut the edge of these and to cut a semicircle here. We try to put this paper from inside the cavity. We can replicate the phases of the moon, thereby making the kids understand the concepts of it better. So this is the DIY experiment that you can do with your kids to explaining how moon rotates around the earth and the effect of sunlight on the moon creates the phases of the moon. So all you will need is one flashlight or a camera flashlight will be, or the phone flashlight will be fine, one opaque ball, and your kid can be the earth and he can represent the earth, and he can hold the ball in his hand and he can then rotate it around himself just to see the phases of the moon. Turn off the lights and I'll show you the arrangement that I did with Jiansh. So this is the arrangement that I have put up for Jiansh. The phone is representing, the phone flashlight is representing the sun. Jiansh is the earth. Jiansh, say hi. And Jiansh is holding the moon. So the moon orbits, Jiansh can move his hand around himself, and then he'll be able to see the phases of the moon. And for this experiment, you'll have to turn off the lights. So I hope you like this episode. Do try it with your kids and try to explain them the concept. It is very much fun. Jiansh is very keen on checking out moon every night from now on to see whether, and really to believe me how I explain it to him and whether it is correct. So I hope your kids love this experiment and it clarifies why do they see every day different shape of the moon and that it is not eaten by anybody else. So Jiansh, did you like it?
Yes, bye.
Bye bye. Do share this video with your friends. Toodly doos. Take care. Bye. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.